My hair too big is hiding you.
Yeah, like a tree, like a tall tree.
Hi friends, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, and good night, you guys. I am a bit stuffy this morning, but that's okay. I will not let it stop me from going to the beach, okay? We are ready and heading out to the beach this morning. You care to say good morning, babe?
Say good morning, everybody. Tyler, that's it.
You wanna come? You wanna say hello? Say morning. Go them kisses. Hey, high five. Hey, alright. We are ready and heading out to the beach this morning. Excited to go to the beach? It is such a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful day with just a little bit of wind, but the sun is hot and a lot of boats out in the water, and we are just about on time heading out to the beach for early afternoon. So hopefully you guys are having a wonderful day. It should be a good day here because we're heading to the beach. Alright, so stay positive, stay motivated, enjoy this vlog, and if you're really looking forward to see it at the beach, give this video a huge thumbs up before you continue watching. And if it's your first time watching, don't forget to subscribe. Before you go any further, subscribe, catch up, and keep up with us. We love you guys, and look at those two. Look at these two. Alright you guys, we're just gonna head out to the beach, so we'll catch you guys in a bit. This is the joy of living close to the beach. 5 minutes bus and we are here. It's so hot today with a little wind, so that's okay. That's okay. Water look, huh? Wild?
Yeah.
Nah, you should have seen it yesterday. I could see all the waves from home yesterday. It was crazy. Today's looking much better than yesterday in comparison to the wind. You guys, we finally made it. We're actually at the beginning of the beach, so I can't imagine all the way around there that I'm seeing boats and stuff is looking like right now. But I'm actually, you ready to go in the water? You ready to go in the water? Water? Let's go in the water. Ready? Let's get in the water. Water, go! It feels like it's freezing. Oh my god, it's freezing. Oh my god. Tyler,
Give me the...
No. It's freezing. Literally freezing. I changed my mind. Oh my god. Oh my freaking god. Baby? No. I'll go back home and stick to the pool. Oh my god. You guys, I made sure I stock bags with snack and lunch, and it's basically lunchtime for me and babe. And I'm having tuna salad because I didn't really want to go and buy fast food, so the best way was to stock lunch, snack and everything. It is better. Babe already grubbing and Tyler is so ready to grub in mine right now. You guys, the water is so cold, but I'm going to brave it and go in. But Tyler is not a fan. He's crying literally. But let's see. Scared of it? He's lift him up. He remember what happened earlier, that's why. Go Papa, go. Bae, lift him up, no, lift him. Go Papa, go. He's afraid of the water. Baby, careful. These stones are ridiculous. Baby, you have to take your time. I bet your short's going to get wet. You just watch.
Tyler, va faire un bisou à maman. Un bisou à maman. À papa. Mouah. C'est un bisou. Oh.
Beach day, though we didn't submerge into the water because it was so cold, freaking cold. The pool, I'll stay for the pool for now because the water is super cold. Babe is actually being spontaneous right now because he says he wants to go to this. So where are we going, honey?
You're gonna see.
So you guys, the final stop is this Russian cathedral that babe been wanting to visit because he was told that it's beautiful, and I guess the walk is so worth it. Oh my gosh, baby, look at that. The walk is worth it. It's so beautiful. Oh my gosh. beautiful. Yes, baby. Yes, baby. This is a Russian church in Nice. Bye. Bye. Give them kisses. Goodbye. You guys, I'm just coming out to give you the Jamaican expression for today because I realized I haven't given you guys any Jamaican expression. So the Jamaican expression for today is afimi. Afimi means it is mine. It's mine. Baby, gonna come and give them a spin on the Jamaican expression?
Hi guys.
The Jamaican expression for today is afimi.
Afimi.
Fi. Me.
Afimi.
Right.
Yeah, afimi tell you. Afimi.
No, not ami fi tell you.
Yeah,
afimi.
afimi, the same thing.
No, it's not the same thing. It have two different meanings.
Yeah, I mean that is built the same way. Afimi.
Yes.
Yeah, it's like
Mean it's mine.
It's mine,
mine.
afimi,
Right. You guys, I sound a little bit stuffy tonight,
Me
but
too.
I won't let whatever I'm catching overpower me. I'm stronger than it. I'm gonna get over it. So I'm just coming on to end the vlog, you guys. We had a really good day today, a really good day out. Came home and I made dinner for babe and I fed Tyler, put him down for a nap. Well, not a nap, he's off to bed. He's off to bed, and I'm just wanting my bed right now. Baby saying that if I want to lay down in the couch, but you know when you don't want to lay in the couch, you just want your bed. I'm not ready to sleep as yet, but
yeah, I say
just
that
need
so I can stay
with
in the
me?
living room with you because I don't want to go in the room.
Well, I'm gonna go in the room and leave you.
I wasn't
sorry.
feeling good, so I
Babe nap a bit earlier, so I know he won't go to bed early tonight, but I'm going to lay down and
my head.
yeah, you guys, so hopefully you guys have an amazing weekend, and make sure you guys give this video a huge thumbs up, and if it's your first time watching, don't forget to subscribe. My eyes burning like crazy. Don't forget to subscribe, give this video a huge thumbs up. We love you guys, and thank you guys again for 2,000 subscribers. We appreciate every single one of you. Can't thank you guys enough. Can't tell you enough how much we appreciate it. Love you guys. Catch up and keep up, and we'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye guys.